Oops. Hey everybody, this is Albert Corey, and let's do a share screen to show what our class is about. Today we're going to talk about IRS, 5 top tax deductions that you can start paying less to the IRS. All right, so let's go. If you're watching us, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're at, please like and share the show as we go. Let's launch this party. Hey everybody, my name is Albert Corey. The world knows me as the tax man. Today we're going to talk about some of the top tax deductions. I've been assisting over 25,000 business owners, saving them $60 million. By the way, this show is being sponsored by Coin Associates Accounting Services. So if you have any questions or comments, you want to pay less to the IRS, there's a number below. Please call for a free consultation. So today we're going to talk about how small businesses, these are the deductions we use almost every day in my office. As we shoot this is February 7th, 2023. And this year we probably already did over 150 returns. These deductions will work for whether you're Uber, Amazon driver, any social media, realtor, anything that you're self-employed, sub-S company, LLCs. They've been working, and I've been using this for almost 38 years, saving my clients millions of dollars. So now let me show you our sheet. By the way, if you call our office, we will send you this sheet that we've been using. So this is the sheet that we use every day. Okay, this is the sheet that we use. So we're going to go over some of the deductions. Oh, good. I didn't know we can go over. Let's go make this thing. So we're going to start going over. Let's see if we can. We're going to go over the deductions that we've been using, at least especially the bigger ones. All right. So here we go. Obviously, the first one you could use is accounting. Always number one. It's on Schedule C. You can always take accounting and business services. So if you have to pay a lawyer, if you have to pay an accountant, so anybody professional services to do your business, this is where it goes. Advertising. Advertising can be business cards. You did Facebook ads. You made flyers. You paid, okay, paid flyers. Auto expenses. I would tell you, really, you'll be more, we're going to talk about in a second, that I would tell you, you should probably be using miles. If you paid somebody to do bookkeeping, by the way, we have bookkeeping service, but why do you want to spend your time in life? I have a saying when I'm speaking on stages. I speak on a lot of business stages. So, I speak in Vegas, New York. I've spoken internationally. So why would you, if you got a business, and I'll be honest with you, if you're making like $150,000 or more, it's worth your time to have somebody do the bookkeeping. Business license. Business license, if you have an Airbnb or something, then oops, no, can't do that. Sorry, let me go back to what I used. Okay. How to get back? Guys, sorry. Oh, man. See if I get back to my deduction sheet. There you go. There you go. We'll get back to the deduction sheet. There you go. There it is. Go smaller screen so we can see better. So part of it is accounting. We did that. Miles. Government's giving you 61 cents a mile. This is better than taking the whole percentage, partly because, just keep track of it. Most new cars have it. There's a program called vidIQ that you can also use. So we're going to go over some of my big ones. Your cell phone. Your cell phone is a deduction. Usually that's about 60 to 7% of the bill. Equipment, you have to buy equipment if you do construction. That could also be programs. Home office, we have other videos that explain home office. That means you're deducting if your rent, usually about 20% of your rent, your water, your garbage. If you have HOA, that's all deductible. Insurance, if in your business, usually on this, you don't take your car insurance because it's always better to take the miles. Meals and entertainment. If you go out to dinner and you pass out a card and give it to somebody, that would be a tax deduction, because the IRS says is what are you doing to move your business forward? Any office expense, Office Depot, Staples. If you're buying paper, pencils on Amazon, cartridges, all that's a deduction. Printing. Do you buy stationery? Do you buy flyers? All that's deduction. Do you rent an office? Do you store anything? Tolls. By the way, if you like our channel and subscribe to on our YouTube channel, we have YouTube shorts that explain a lot of this. Travel is also a tax deduction. Traveling is guess what? If you go on vacation, and I go to a lot of events. If you go to events, that's a deduction. Even you sometimes go to Disney World and you can show that you learned something from the front desk. Uniforms and other expenses would be stuff. Other expenses would be like internet, programs, cell phone, tolls, utilities, and about any stuff. Well, that's our simple video for today. In the future, we'll be putting more videos up on how to deduct a house, how to start a business. But first, let me thank our sponsor.
Did you max out your small business deductions to invest in your company? Did you take the 3 major deductions that are always missed? They could be saving you enough money to hire a new employee. Corey and Associates have asked the questions to get you the best accounting and tax advice. We file all the forms to file all federal, state, corporate, and business returns. We keep up with all the changes in the new tax laws so you don't have to. Would you pull your own tooth or go to a dentist? It's the same with bookkeeping. Let Corey and Associates do the bookkeeping for you. Now you'll have extra time to work on your business. With our fax and email services, it's done just like as if you were sitting right next to us. Please call 305-823-9228 or email Albert at 1040w2.com for our free consultation.
Okay, everybody. Well, that's our show for today. My name is Albert. Hopefully you got some cool tips and advice. We have a tax office. We've been doing this for almost 40 years. Okay, we've been doing this for almost 40 years. So, we can help you get the best. This works. Oh. Oh, well. That's pretty cool. So we can help you get the best tax. By the way, this is my office. We're winding down for today. So if you're watching this, sharing is caring. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.